This is just a quick tutorial of how to use D2L for our scenic painting class. Since we're working remotely, D2L is going to be a very important piece of the puzzle to keep us all on the same page and make sure that you get all of the information that you need. So I have it turned on as a student right now. So when you go to your 811 course, this is what you're going to see. There are no announcements currently, but I do use that announcements tab to make sure everybody knows what's happening. Right here on the right side, you are going to see all of the upcoming events. So projects and quizzes, you'll know those deadlines. The most important place to go is this content tab. When you click on that, you will see down here on the left all of the projects that we will be going through. So first thing I want you to make sure to look at is the syllabus. You're going to need to go through all of that information. Here the syllabus is on a web page, so it's more accessible if you have if you're looking at stuff on your phone or on a tablet. And then the PDF version. If you want to print the syllabus, then I would click on that syllabus PDF document and print it from there. If we look quickly into the syllabus, you will notice all of that information, which you will need to look at on your own time. But I want to get down here to this schedule. Since we're doing sort of this weird hybrid combination class, I've tried to make it as clear as possible as to what you need to be doing and who's expected to do what. So because our graduate students can be on campus, we will meet mostly every Monday. And you can see here that is indicated on the yellow. Yellow means grad students, you are going to be in the scene shop. The red means speaking with mostly the undergrad students over Zoom. So that is the red and the yellow. And then on orange days, that's when we're all going to come together and we're going to do a group critique. Those will be meeting on Zoom so that we can all participate and look at everyone's amazing work. Most of the time, you will all need to watch a lecture. Those will be online and you will be expected to watch those before Monday morning. So you'll see right here, online lecture 2, and it's telling you what you're going to be looking at. After everybody watches those, grad students will meet in the scene shop to talk about it on Mondays. Undergrads, we're going to be meeting on Zoom, and we can talk through questions at that time. If I go back, I want to take you through these modules a little bit. So it's online lecture 1 is sort of the first module. So if I click on that, there's a lot of information here. The most important thing that I want you to look at first is the online lecture. So you're going to click on that and it's going to take you into a web page that's put together so that you can follow right along. So there are going to be several different videos that you're going to watch. So this video is embedded right here onto D2L. But if you have trouble watching that, which if too many people are trying to watch the same thing on G2L, it'll glitch out. So you can always access that by clicking here. It's a link to the media space video, or clicking here and watching it on YouTube. So for instance, right here, we have 3 different videos that you need to watch. And then down at the bottom, you've got a checklist of all of the things that you need to do. We will not always have an online lecture. They happen to be more at the beginning of our projects so that you're getting the information, and then for a few weeks after that, you'll get a little bit of information, but more time will be spent working on those projects. So for assignments, you're going to go into assessments and then down to assignments. And it has all of your projects that you need to submit. So when you click on the projects, you will come into a page and it will have the rubric. So this is what I'll be grading you on. So you need to look through that so that you have an idea of what the expectations are for each individual project. And you can submit there. Also in assessments, you're going to have quizzes. So you can do all of those quizzes here. And if you want to see where you're at with grades, you just go into grades and all of your points are going to be displayed here in grades. So I'm really looking forward to this semester. I know it's going to be a lot different than how I would traditionally teach a scenic painting class, but I think we can make the best of it, and we're all going to learn sort of in this new environment, and I'm so looking forward to seeing all of your work.